Pedro eating gelato. Pedro eating gelato.
Want a bite? Let's see. Mmm.
Hey. Show me your teeth.
More? Here, let's scoop it. Whoa!
Hey.
Yay.
That was a good scoop, buddy.
We need some more, huh? Can I have your spoon?
Show me your teeth. You see the boy. Give me knuckles.
Okay.
Give me knuckles.
Now, if you
All
finish
right.
this, I'm not going to give you any more because that was enough. Mmm. You got a crunchy in there. No, you're not going to want any more. Mmm.
Show me your teeth. Ooh.
Cold. It's cold, huh? It's cold. Show Daddy your teeth.
Show me your teeth.
Show Daddy.
Show me your teeth.
Brain freeze.
Yeah, that's cold, isn't it?
Woo! Go woo! That's good.
Now you're making that face on purpose because you know it made us laugh.
That one wasn't cool.
Oh, you're so silly. That's 2 minutes of good video.